Hey everyone, welcome back to Delifoodies. I'm here to share science-backed health hacks with a delicious twist. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. When's the best time to drink apple cider vinegar for weight loss? Warning: timing is crucial. Please stay with us to discover the insights, and if you haven't already, kindly consider subscribing. Drink ACV on an empty stomach to kickstart your day. This morning ritual can help balance blood sugar levels and curb cravings throughout the day. For an extra burst of flavor and added health benefits, try stirring in a pinch of cinnamon. What's your morning routine like? Please let us know in the comments below. You find these tips useful? Please click the like button to help us spread the word. ACV about 15 minutes before meals can help moderate insulin spikes by up to 34%, which means fewer sudden hunger pangs and better portion control. Just remember to always dilute your ACV to protect your teeth and stomach lining. If you have a friend who's on a weight loss journey, share this tip with them. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical health hacks. For all you night owls, an evening ACV ritual might be just what you need. A warm drink before bed helps stabilize your blood sugar levels overnight, promoting a more balanced metabolism while you sleep. It's a gentle way to close out your day and support your weight loss goals. Tag a friend who could benefit from these calming, health-boosting habits. Let's tackle a common question: how long will it take to see results? Consistency is key. With daily practice, you might notice benefits anywhere from 3 to 12 weeks. Have more questions? Please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We truly appreciate your feedback. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more insights into natural health remedies. So, which ACV routine resonates with you? Morning, pre-meal, or before bed? Please let us know your favorite in the comments. If you found these tips useful, please like, share, and subscribe for weekly recipes and weight loss wins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.